Hi viewers, welcome to all. Here we are discuss about a project Vital Sign Processing Receiver with clutter elimination using servo feedback loop for UWB pulse radar system. Actually, this brief describe of this paper a vital sign processing circuit without any automated signal processing or algorithm supported for the ultra wideband UWB pulse radar system for simultaneously DC and near DC exclusions of outband interference eliminations. As a stable and balanced pseudo registers applied under a servo feedback loop in a vital sign receiver of the sensing radar, an eccentric self-balanced MOS diode SBMD. It was suggested to act as a high-pass filter with an ultra-low corner frequency lower than 0.5 Hz to eliminate a undesired clutter of reflected signals and input DC offset voltage from inserting circuit offset. A third order switched capacitor SC, the Chebyshev low pass filter LPF, okay, with trans conductance low noise amplifier LNA. Leapfrog topology was adapted as a subsequent stage to eliminate outband noise and developing an integrated bandpass filter with a frequency response vital sign processing circuit and inserting it into a radar model to check the feasibility. Finally, this work was developed in Tana DDA at 130 nanometer CMOS technology and also 45 nanometer CMOS technology. Okay, so now we can verify this paper. Okay, so you can verify this abstract. Okay, and you can verify this architecture. The architecture one will present the pulse-based radar systems with a DC offset and clutter elimination. Okay, and the figure 2 architecture will present the architecture of brittle sign processing chip and operational mechanisms of band pass behavior. Okay, now we can verify the proposed architecture, the schematic of third order SC. Okay, the figure 6, the schematic of third order SC. Okay, switched capacitor Chebyshev LPF. Okay, in this proposed method of this paper, the architecture of this amplification part will be changed to trans conductance low noise amplifier. Okay, we can use reference for this paper. Okay, so this paper they are already proposed with a low noise amplifier in a good way. Okay, so we are use this fully differential implementation of proposed transconductance low noise amplifier. Okay, so this all circuit will be integrated on Tanner EDA. Okay, so this is a third order Chebyshev LPF. Okay, this is a test bench part and this is the architecture. Okay, so instead of this architecture will be design this low noise amplifier. Okay, and this is a T-Spice and this is a output. Okay, and low noise amplification part will be written a test bench separately. Okay, so this is a diagram. Okay, and this is a netlist configurations of this code. This is a 45 nanometer netlist generation. Okay, and this is a 130 nanometer base netlist generation. Okay, and power report you can verify this is a 130 nanometer power results. Okay, and this is a 45 nanometer power results. The same power results will be applied on the document. Now we can verify the reports. Okay, so this is the comparison report. Okay, now we can verify the 130 nanometer CMOS technology and 45 nanometer CMOS technology. So we are compared the number of MOSFET used, input voltage, area, average power consumed, maximum power, minimum power. Okay, so compared to these two things, the 45 nanometer CMOS technology will be a best performance in Chebyshev LPF low pass filter. Okay, so this is a comparison chart and these are the screenshot. Okay, output waveforms LPF and 45 nanometer screenshot for power report, area report, output waveforms and LPF design. Okay, and we are written a abstract document for this project. Okay, so this is the title, base paper abstract, enhancement of this project, proposed title, proposed abstract, existing system, disadvantages, proposed system, advantages, literature survey, finally references. Okay, thank you.